Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and what I want to show you guys today is something really cool. It's more a toyish version but in a hobby grade. Those are the Caterpillars. Those are construction vehicle and they are kind of 1/24 scale, but 1/24 scale is pretty huge because it's a real size vehicle. Let's start it. It's come with this cool remote with a lot of buttons, and I want to show how it works. So first of all, you're going to turn your remote, and then as soon as you turn on the car, it starts the engine. Now it's ready to go. Now you have the shovel that's going to move. Actually, you can turn it around, and then you have the shovel going up and down. So I put on purpose the Red Cat Racing Volcano to show you guys how strong this thing is, because it's pretty cool. It will push it down. Now let's try to lift it. Let's go up. I'm still learning how to deal with this because it's pretty cool, and it's doing different function. There it is. Let's see. Let's open the shovel. You can drive it and adjust it to where you want it. Okay, this is better. And I'm trying to figure out how to move this part around. I'm learning as I go when I'm doing the video. There it is. Now it's moving, and then let's try to do that. Aha, that's what I wanted to do. And then let's see if we can lift this car. It's a little bit too heavy for it, I guess. No, actually, it's not heavy. I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh yeah, it's powerful. Let's bring this thing back up. I'm trying to shovel the wheel over there, so see if we can lift the car with it, because I don't have sand over here, so this can be fun as well. There it is. Oh, it will drag it easily. Let's see if I grab it. Yeah, almost. You just need to know the function of this thing. Let's do this. Now we need to go outside and find some sand to play with. I'm just doing a mini demolition derby over here. It's funny, the vehicle is too heavy to lift, but it's trying, still have the power to do that. So we need to try it with bunch of dirt, not with lifting RC car, but it's definitely capable. It's pretty strong, it's pretty cool. Okay, and that's it for now. This is the new vehicle, those kind of Caterpillar. Those are the working truck, and we have them available right now at Motorstyles. Let's ram this Redca just for fun of it. Yeah, definitely have power to push it around. Let's see if we can drag it forward. Yeah, so I'm gonna get some sand and we're gonna go do some playing and show how it's work. See you in my next video. This is just a cool stuff to play with. I'm telling you, you guys have to have one of those. And it's have the real chain on it, so it can turn on a dime. And it's all running with the small hydraulic pieces, so it's pretty cool actually. Trying to figure out if it's actually what pushing this, because it's have the hydraulic system there. It's pretty cool. Bye. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share.